Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. If you guys know me, you know that I like cool old stuff. I have this 1930s era doorbell, and she's loud. They make reproductions of these, but this is an original because it has USA stamped right there. So this is a pretty cool piece, and but it's got a the old piece of parachute cord that's rotten, or probably not parachute cord, but I want to forge something a little bit nicer to go through here so that I can put a nice leather strap. And we have a very special place that this is going here at the end of the video, kind of a big surprise. It's a little thing me and my wife have been working on for quite some time, and it's now just becoming a reality. And I have some cool old stuff I will show you at the very end of the video too. So I have a piece of 3/8 square stock. I'm going to do kind of an S hook, but I want it to be a little bit unique so I can stamp my initials on there. It's 4 inches long. It's probably longer than I need it, but I can always cut some off. So let's get rolling. Quite get that where I want it. This is some paste wax my friend Matthew made me. It's really, really nice stuff. I chose not to take you to my leather room today because it's kind of trashed, so, and it's in a dark little hole, so we're just going to do it here. Alright, we're about ready to go hang it up. I got some really old screws so it'll fit the time period. I'm kind of like your grandpa. I got coffee cans full of scratch bins, full of screws and stuff, but when I need what I need, I usually can find it. Alright guys, it feels really good to get that up and done. So this is our guest cabin we're putting together. It's going to be kind of like a vacation rental. We'll have some farm stays, maybe some blacksmith courses and stuff like that. So we want to put this to look like a 1940s farmhouse, and we want to fully furnish it kind of like an 1940s, 50s era farmhouse. So I'll take you a quick loop, and I'll show you some cool stuff inside and a couple more things in the shop. So the outside, this will be a nice little porch. We get some beautiful sunsets over the mountains. The camera probably doesn't show it. Oh, there's Sari taking a picture of the cow. That steer right there, his name is Stir Fry, and you probably won't see him in too many more shows. Just around the back. I have to finish the deck. There's the front side, the outhouse and the barn, and they can drive right in through there, come alongside the house so they're not driving through our yard. Oh, I'm gonna get you, kitty. Actually, let's go through this other door. One really quick look at this guy. So inside, this will be the living room area, dining room area. Up there will be the loft, and it's a nice tall loft. I think it's like 8 foot at the peak, so you can stand up comfortably. Get dressed if you need to. This is a old clawfoot tub that came out of one of my parents' old farmhouses, and it's been sitting upside down for 30 years. So I cabbaged onto it and spent 3 hours wire wheeling it, and we'll have to finish the inside up. They make some great stuff for that. We're still looking for a couple sinks. So this will be refrigerator, stove. In the opposite wall we'll have a farmhouse sink, which we're still kind of looking for one. I thought I had one, but somebody shot a couple bullet holes in it. Kind of ruined that. And then the bedroom. So this is a 1952 International fridge in working condition. Works really good. It's actually in pretty nice shape. Pretty clean for an old fridge. And I'm not too worried about if something goes wrong. There's a guy locally that works on these and they restore them all the time, so that would be pretty cool. We want original appliances in. We don't really want the cheap remakes that just look cookie cutter. So got to find a handle for it, which I've heard you can find them online, so I just got to do a little looking for that. An old separator that we picked up that's kind of a unique one, and just decided to have it for the collection. And then 2 years ago I was at a people's place a couple hours away buying a rototiller, and I saw this little Ford tractor sitting there, and I told them if they ever wanted to sell it to let me know, because I'd never seen one before. This is a row crop tractor, so has some planetaries that lift the wheel up off the axle. We don't have row crop stuff here, so it was pretty cool. And they called me 2 years later and told me to come get it, so I'm pretty excited. I can take my brother's back to him, and I have my own little unique tractor. This would be a great one for a restoration project because the tin is just amazing on it. Most of these are just haggard around here, so just having a little trouble. It ran good and I got it, and I pressure washed it, and I knew I'd probably have trouble with the points. Got to replace them. They're pretty shot, and all the spark plug wires and stuff are just tough, so gonna do a 12-volt conversion on it. I don't really like modifying stuff, but 6-volt just sucks, so gonna upgrade that and then redo a bunch of wiring. Runs like a champ, has good oil pressure, all the good stuff, so I'm excited to have this old girl. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this little video of forging a few things, seeing some of my old stuff, and then hopefully we get that cabin done. If you're passing through central Montana, you can come stay with us for a day or two. So we will catch you guys in the next one. Remember, keep it simple.